Hello, welcome guys. If you want to download a video from YouTube and you can save on your gallery and you can see on your gallery and that video remain in your gallery. So guys, consider that this video I want to download. All of first I click on the share, then I will share on the vidmate. So I click on the vidmate. So vidmate is opening now. So on this here video is reached and I can download in any, I can download in audio, I can download this video on video. So I download this on video. This is selected. You can see here this video is down and this video is saved in my gallery. So guys, this video is downloaded and I will see on your front this video is I download from YouTube. You can see here.